Hello everyone, welcome to this video. If you want to know how to post on Patreon page, then this video is for you. In today's video, I will show you how you can easily post on your Patreon page. So first of all, you have to open your Patreon app or just open your Patreon page on your browser, patreon.com. And from here, you can see there is two options here, which is create and another there is create. You can choose any one between of them. So I'm just clicking here. Now you can see there are multiple options: video, audio, image, link, poll. If you want, then you can start a voting or live stream, and you just write your thought here. So I'm just writing my thought here for this tutorial purpose. You can choose the title of your post and you can write your post here. Now if you want to attach any media file or something, then you can attach from this upload. So I'm not going to do that. And there is another option on Patreon that if you want, then you can start a new collection. Like if you want to create a playlist, then you can do that. So to do that, just click on these, create collection, and it will open a new tab on your browser, and you can write or give a title of your playlist here. If you want, then you can add a description of your playlist, like what is about of your playlist, and you can add a price. If you want to keep it paid, then just turn this on and you can set a price for this playlist. Now just click on this check mark, agree. And if you want to add your previous post under these playlists, then you can do that from here. Just select post and you can see all of your previous post here. I didn't post before, so you can see all of your previous posts and you can just select them and add to collection. So after that, just you can set the layout from the list view or grid view, and then just click on save. It will be post on your Patreon page. In this tutorial video, I'm just posting this caption post. So after writing my thought and just click on next. Now it will ask me who can access this post. From here I can select the public. You can find there are multiple options. Which one is public? Public means everyone can access this post. Paid members mean who are premium member, they can watch. Free members mean who are member but not paid, they can see, and for purchase only. So you can set a price for this particular post, and only who the people pay for this, they can watch this post. So I'm just keeping this public. And if you want to sell this, then just turn this on. And if you want to schedule this, then you can do that from here. You can set the date and time and just keep all of this like as it is, and just click on this publish, and it will be post on your profile page on Patreon. Like you can see, it's already posted now. So basically this is how you can post on Patreon. And if you think this video helpful, please make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel.